Hi girl, welcome back to another video. Did you subscribe yet? No? Why? I'm sorry. What are you waiting for? Every single week I give you beauty tips to improve your appearance, girl. Subscribe now, baby.
Anyways, let's get started with this video, Michael.
Have you ever looked at yourself in the mirror and wondered why you look exhausted even after resting?
I don't know if I'm a good person.
The truth is that some everyday habits can slowly affect your appearance without you noticing. They can impact your skin, your eyes, your posture, and even the way other people perceive your energy. The good news is that many of these habits are easy to change. Here are 7 common habits that may be making you look tired and less attractive. Let's begin. Water is essential for keeping your body and skin healthy. When you don't drink enough, your skin can become dry and lose its natural glow. Drink water, okay? Drink it now, baby. Dehydration may also make fine lines and wrinkles appear more noticeable. Your eyes can look dull and dark circles may seem more visible. Many people mistake dehydration for simple fatigue. Drinking enough water also helps your body remove waste products. Making hydration a daily habit can help you look fresher and more energized. So, my baby, drink water. Okay. Sleep is one of the most important beauty and health habits. While you sleep, your body repairs damaged cells and tissues. Poor sleep can lead to dark circles and puffy eyes. It may also cause your skin look pale and lifeless. Lack of rest can increase stress hormones that affect your appearance over time. Chronic sleep deprivation may speed up visible signs of aging. Getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep can make a noticeable difference. My girls, this is actually my favorite tip. Okay, this is very important. I love this tip so much. Okay, so what you eat can have a direct effect on how you look, my baby. Sugary and highly processed foods may contribute to skin problems. These foods often provide calories but very few nutrients. A poor diet can leave your skin looking dull and unhealthy. Frequent sugar spikes may also affect your energy levels. Eating more fruits, vegetables, and healthy proteins supports better skin health. Small improvements in your diet can help you feel and look better. Many people spend hours every day staring at phones and computers. Too much screen time can make your eyes feel dry and tired. It may also lead to eye strain and frequent headaches. Looking down at a phone for long periods can affect your posture. Poor posture can make you appear less confident and more exhausted. Taking regular breaks gives your eyes and body a chance to recover. Simple habits like limiting screen time can improve your overall appearance. I do this all the time with my phone. Actually, it's really useful, to be honest, so I recommend this. Stress affects much more than your mood. High stress levels can interfere with healthy habits patterns. It may also contribute to skin problems and hair issues. Many people carry stress in their facial expressions without realizing it. Constant worry can make you look older and more fatigued. Finding healthy ways to relax is important for your well-being. Activities like walking, meditation, or hobbies can help reduce stress. Wait, I need a little break. I need to drink water right now. So girls, drink water right now with me, okay? Come on, do it with me. This is so good. It's so refreshing, you know. Exercise does more than help with fitness goals. Physical activity improves blood circulation throughout the body. better circulation helps deliver oxygen and nutrients to the skin. Regular movement can increase energy and improve your mood. An active lifestyle often supports healthier posture and confidence. You do not need intense workouts to see benefits, my baby. Even a daily walk can help you look and feel more vibrant. So, yes, my God. Too much sun exposure can affect the health and appearance of your skin. Ultraviolet rays can contribute to premature signs of aging over time. Without protection, your skin may become dry and lose its natural glow. Spending long hours in the sun can also make uneven skin tone more noticeable. Using sunscreen is one of the simplest ways to care for your skin. Wearing a hat or seeking shade can provide extra protection during sunny days. Taking care of your skin today can help you maintain a healthier and fresher look in the future. So there you go, my girls. Looking tired is not always about age. Often it is the result of small habits repeated every day. By drinking enough water, sleeping well, eating healthier foods, reducing stress, staying active, limiting screen time, and avoiding harmful habits, you can improve both your appearance and your overall health. Which of these habits do you think affects you the most? Let me know in the comments, my girls, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, my babies. So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye, my beauties.